Sembut Menteri Rangbak Kejelau beri kemiru ia keterat home police ulong ba kejeng pa igi pulet ha kajaka pulih hanehu kedene kejeng yok kubor bakal aban mi kejeng bam syongsuk syongsan ha kene kajaka pulih la ban kedo hang ne ban kaliang gi pulet ak arpu pratrik uyayong arhajar arpusan gilalit ban kemi presiden kene husu usan di sotun bat kombashi spa sau pungut AA ki CRPF bat SF10 gilalit ban paharai ke skol ba nehu klem kejeng tip kibor peniat jeng ke skol ba kabawan rapat ekejeng bitar hagi samla pulia. Habakiran ni kelak patai kubor ubah presiden tensong ulong bagi pulit giyo jeng tip bakal aban mi kejeng bam syongsuk syongsan hagi ni ke skul ba. Nak kata kadau bagi pulit kila sepen krek lupa bayo adan ganu-ganu kejeng kulmar kamtam kanehu temar bakade ke bahaya. Ulong ru bahadian baliyo bani kenduk bagi nong penyat ke skul ba ki pulit kila mi no aneng ni kejaka pulia. Bala adan ganu-ganu kejeng jana kaliang kinong penyat ken sepentip. Ula kerpat ru ikisam la pulih bagian nong jai-jai namana kalian kaan kane ek badan kam kejeng tokit halo kejeng keno kadang ya caprang.
No, the reason is like this because see when the police information was that there may be some kind of reaction, some kind of law and order. Then from the police side they said that we have to be well prepared in case if there is any kind of reaction, as I said to you, and especially because it is in the campus, and the campus of Nehu, it's a huge campus over there. So that on the basis of that, then the police was ready, and then they were there inside. But ultimately, after having a meeting with the in charge of the Nehu campus, ultimately it was decided that the police force should be withdrawn, and in case if any issues are there, the concerned in charge of the Nehu campus will take care, or they will inform the police department. Right now the situation is okay. It's not that out of control, so everything is cool, calm right now, and we appeal to the student communities also and to everybody that let us wait, don't just be emotional, because the law takes its own course, and then allow the investigation to go on. Once that is done, then they will be able to know also exactly what was happening over there.
So anything latest in the assault of the Nehu professor?
No, because the investigation is on.
Habalayo menekran bad public relations officer ke skul ba Nehu ba Davidson pengrut. Ulitu bah kepor sau lanisan berjajan miet lengba security officer kiliyo jeng tip bakidon ki pulit ba CRPF ki balawan hapok ke skul ba. Mak namar ba ke office ke vice chancellor in charge ru kamiyo jeng tip ai. Berhadian bagi head officer ke Nehu kilalet menekran ki setip ekadau bagi pulit kelawan hagaja ke pulit. Adin berkelayo bagi Shithinu Dr. Alok Singh ubele kena bu syasyo hu presiden ke Nehu su. Baru lapak ke Shithi Syai Director General ki pulit ban pan ki bor pahara nak sorkar jela hapok kene ke skul ba. Ubak pengrop ulong bahalor kene ki bor penyat hi kemben jikep AA berhadian berkelawan rong ki pulit i Vice Chancellor in charge ke skul ba ilapak ke Shithi Syai Director General ki pulit ke jela bat Syai Deputy Commissioner ban tem kene no ke jingjab sengusi hapok kene ke skul ba.
Dina kata kadau ki officers jangka university ki lale ban kendu ki magistrate ki longhe jangki pulit hang tai ha gate 2 jangka Nehu tahadin ba ki layakran te ki satip ba kiyo ya kawi kashti na u Dr. Alok u basha katkum kajing ong chong u ba sha ha u president Nehu su ba u pa Shithi sha DGP sha police department ban ba upan yaka security extra security na ka police department na government state government te dina kata kadau baki kilong he jongka police department but na DC office na state government ki pa yakni ki armed forces but ki police na benta ka security chongki nong hikai tengitip tang ya kata hendrei ngintip rapat babilie ki khampentip ra shaka office chongka vice chancellor bilie ki kham I information in ro swaban rung ha campus chong Nehu hadin bangilayo kumputa ka chintip i vice chancellor in charge i professor Sungo mar kuntu he ila tho ya kamil ya kashthi sha i DGP but EDC jongka East Khasi Hills ban kerpat ya kimo ben wiang no ya kini ki police personnel but ki armed forces CRPF na campus ni hu khnang ba kanumdan la kain ka ba na sngusi kain ka chingcha ka ba sngusi ha ka campus ni hu but ki khna jongi ru kin sngushngan haba ki wan ban shong ya ki class jongki te ngi menen hingi yo ya ka shithi na u secretary jong ka ni husuru but KSU ru ba kia tho ekani ka shithi sha I madam sungo ban request ban weng no ban pha weng no ekini ki pulit na ka campus te kumta ki I professor sungo ru ila tho mar sha DC but DGP but kerpat yaki ban wiang no ekini ki armed forces na campus ni hu mangi ro ngim kwa ra ba kindan kini ki CRPF ni armed police hapo campus namar ki khna jongi ki ating kim sngo shngain ra ba ki petrol ha ka campus te dina katakadaw ngi kwa yaka chingsuk ha campus chui ha ka school ba chui te ngi kwa ba ki khna ken da ki wan shong class kin sngo shngain te ngi kerpat ru ki khna ba kin numle en kinum ya long disturb kinum ya panic ngi kerpat ki khna ba kin ya wan shaka school ba but kin ya wan kum student kinum dan khti ha kain ro ka ba snow te ngi kwa ba kin wan sok shong class kin chieng ha hostel ro ki deben shong sok kim dan la ben yama ya sho hadin bala tip ba u Dr. Aluk ha u nga tharai u Dr. Aluk u tho eka sha state government ban pan ya ka security extra security na state government ba ula sngo ting sngo ma tharai ma uru udan hi ka jing sngo ba hadin bala sha arrest mo u ni husu president te sngo shngain na tharai dina katakadaw ba u pan ya ka extra security but ki pulit ki they acted accordingly the kiawan ha campus ni hu hanrei ngi kwa ban ong biang hang nei ba ngim tip en la nang no ki yo order na en ki yo order ben wan rung hapo campus ni hu